湖右畔，像个小孩，此刻心跳你明不明白？没了节拍。你走了过来，太好看，连一刻都无法从。
Electricity is one of the greatest achievements that science has given to mankind. It is the most important factor that the world have lights. For sure, one cannot think without the aid of electricity. Guess what? Electricity has many uses. Used for lightnings, used for cooking our foods, and in many transportations, and also in outer space.
Magnetism is the one aspect to combine and go magnetic force. It refers to the physical phenomena arising from the force caused by magnets.
In physics, magnetism is a force that can attract or pull closer or repel or push away objects that have a magnetic materials like iron inside them or magnetic object. It's in simpler words, it is a property of certain substances which pull closer or repel other objects.
Is the presence of flow of electric charge. Electricity is a use of our daily life. It is use of our gadgets, electricity and machineries and other gadgets.
I discuss how electricity is important in our life. In our life, electricity is the most where world is running. For example, in transportation, buses also uses electricity and trains also uses electricity. And next is the gadgets. Gadgets also uses electricity like our cell phones, laptops, and the chip. That's why we conserve electricity for our sustainable development.
Example of the application of the electricity is through charging our mobile phones. In this case, the electricity will transfer into the mobile phones. Let's see.